I'm making a video about nature and healing. Plants out there can actually heal you. If you have a cut, and what are you thinking, what's going to help you? Take a plant, you know which one. It comes with a natural ointment, and you rub it on your cut, it'll heal it. There's plants out there you can eat. It'll take away a stomach ache. That's why there's Native Americans, nature people. They know how to live off the land. They heal themselves by plants and fruits. Just like avocados, they prevent from mouth cancer. So, I'm just making a video of teaching about plants are more of a healer than your own doctors or nurses. That's why there's a lot of Native Americans live to their 100. Even a lot of Americans. So, because what they grew up on taught how to live. Native Americans were nature people, and I'm a nature person. I don't believe in the way of life these days. So, nature is your remedy. It's a healer. That's where God put all the remedies. He's a healer. So just remember, you have a cut and it won't stop bleeding, put mud on it. If you have a rash, there's a plant out there that can take away the rash. Things take away your stomach ache, or even a headache, which is peppermint. So peppermint is good for stomach aches too. So God bless, and hopefully you enjoy this video.